See class model W204, headlamp adjustment with the rear fog lamp switched on. The low beams automatically swing further out to improve the illumination of the edge of the road. If the headlamps are adjusted now, the final result will not be correct. The automatic adjustment function with fog lights in the adjustment device, here with fog light and here without fog light. In the case of bi-xenon headlamps with cornering illumination or after replacing a headlamp, for example, zero position adjustment must be performed with star diagnosis before adjusting. Via control units and body, go to bi-xenon headlamps and select left. Caution: the safety instructions must be observed when working on xenon headlamps. High voltage is involved. The 0-point adjustment can be opened from the Control Unit Adaptations menu. The following requirements must be satisfied. There must be no faults in the level sensors. The values of the level sensors must be between 1.0 and 4.0 volts. Park the vehicle with all four wheels on level ground with no additional load. And switch on the ignition. When all is in order, continue with F2. The final zero position adjustment is launched with F3. After adjustment, the values of the headlamps must be checked. Looks good. The left headlamp is inside the valid range. The procedure must be repeated for the right headlamp. And that was it. Now the adjustments can be made to the headlamps. This adjustment screw controls the lateral position. And this one the vertical setting.